ReadPartner AI has just been released, and today we're diving into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this powerful AI software. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or business owner, this tool promises to simplify complex tasks and boost your productivity in ways you've never seen before. Stick around to the end, as I'll share exactly how you can try ReadPartner AI for free and why it's a game changer in digital marketing. So, let's get into it. First off, ReadPartner AI focuses on content automation and optimization. It's designed to streamline your workflow by automating everything from generating content ideas to creating high-quality copy for blogs, social media, and even email marketing campaigns. If you've struggled with writer's block or spending too much time on content creation, this tool can save you a ton of effort. The software uses advanced natural language processing to produce text that feels human, which is a huge advantage over other AI content creators that often sound robotic. The second standout feature is ReadPartner's integration with SEO tools. This AI doesn't just create content, it also ensures your content is optimized for search engines. It analyzes keywords, suggests improvements, and even helps you structure articles in a way that boosts your ranking on Google. For anyone serious about digital marketing, this is a huge time saver. You don't have to manually research keywords or structure your content for SEO anymore. The AI handles that for you. Third, ReadPartner AI offers powerful personalization capabilities. It can tailor content for specific audiences based on their interests, demographics, or past behavior. This level of customization can significantly improve your engagement rates and drive better results for your campaigns. Whether you're sending personalized emails or creating social media posts that speak directly to your audience, ReadPartner's AI gives you the tools to make sure your message hits home. Another thing that sets ReadPartner apart is its user-friendly interface. Unlike other AI tools that require a steep learning curve, ReadPartner is incredibly intuitive. Even if you're not a tech expert, you'll find it easy to get started and navigate through its various features. This means you can focus on creating content, not figuring out how the software works. The next key point is how ReadPartner AI handles scalability. It's not just for small businesses, this software can grow with you. Whether you're running a one-person operation or managing a large team, ReadPartner's features are flexible enough to scale with your needs. It's built to handle both simple and complex tasks, so it grows as your business does. Now, let's talk about pricing. While ReadPartner AI is feature-rich, it's surprisingly affordable compared to other AI tools in the market. This is great for businesses or marketers who want high-end technology without breaking the bank. And, as I mentioned earlier, you can try it completely free from the first link below. So, there's really no reason not to test it out yourself. Finally, ReadPartner AI is continuously updated. The developers are committed to improving the software, adding new features, and ensuring it stays at the cutting edge of AI technology. That means you're not investing in a tool that will become outdated. You're investing in a product that evolves with the digital marketing landscape. Before we wrap up, let me remind you that I've tried thousands of AI software solutions, and I always share my recommended options with you in the description below. These are tools I trust and believe can help you grow and streamline your business operations. So don't wait. Click the first link below to get started with ReadPartner AI for free and see how it can transform your content creation and marketing efforts.